Hey guys, welcome back to Skyclan. So today we have our first ready-to-fly airplane kit. It's a 2-channel flyer. Out of the box you get the transmitter. It's a fully functional 2.4 GHz 2-channel transmitter. You get a fully assembled airplane with a battery, 2 props, 2 motors and the receiver built in. You also get a 1S LiPo charger which is also powered by USB, and also the transmitter can be charged using the same USB cable.
I'll be your anything if you be the one to take me home. Cause right now everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam.
So we came up with this airplane just to make each and every individual experience the joy of flying. Even a 6-year-old kid can fly this. The controls on this are quite simple. So it has just 2 controls. You have the throttle control and the turn control. So it's a differential thrust control. The motor is angled such a way that you get a elevated pitch as you increase the throttle. So basically you're going to increase altitude and speed with increasing in throttle. So it's quite easy to fly and there's no assembly required before flying. It comes pretty much ready to fly out of the box. The only thing you need to do is charge your batteries. So it comes with a 3.7 volt 150 mAh single cell LiPo battery. You get about 7 to 10 minutes of flight time with this battery, and you can also always upgrade the battery to a 300 mAh battery. So it has a built-in 2.4 GHz long range receiver and a 2 brushed ESCs, 3 amp brushed ESCs built into the receiver. So the motors are 2 coilless DC motors of 7x16 size and 45 mA clock and counterclockwise prop. Charging the batteries are quite simple. Just plug the charging module to the LiPo battery and the other end to the USB cable and to the power source. You can directly plug it to any of the USB source, maybe a laptop or a phone adapter. So the transmitter design is a classy, antique, vintage design. It comes with the latest 2.4 GHz technology. The transmitter is quite straightforward. You just have a power switch, you have the power LED, you have the charge LED and a USB port to charge the battery within the transmitter. Yes, here you don't have to use any AA batteries to power your transmitter. It has a built-in 3.7 volt 1200 mAh lithium ion battery. So you can fly really long with these batteries. You can just carry a power bank to charge your transmitter as well as the air battery. The plane can be flown up to 150 meters with a long distance 2.4 GHz radio. So the plane can be flown fast as well as slow. You can just play around with the CG so that you can fly indoors and as well as outdoors. It can fly at really high alphas as there are no control surfaces on it. You can just play around with the battery location to adjust the CG. The airplane is pretty durable. It's a plastic laminated foam construction. And plastic parts like the motor mount and the receiver and the battery mounts are quite strong. You cannot break it as such. It's tested for nearly hundreds of crashes. And it's pretty durable. And all the parts are easily removable and replaceable. All the parts can be easily found on our website. You can just buy the spare parts and replace one. So you can buy the entire kit from our online store skyclan.com. You can buy it as a full kit, or you can buy just the transmitter and the receiver as well. So now let's take it out and fly it. So this also has some cool navigational lights, the red on the left and green on the right. So you can also do some night flying with this, just for fun. You can fly it even in the smaller places. This is a backyard and I'm gonna fly it now and show you guys. It's quite easy to power it up. Just turn on your transmitter. Once you get the beep, then just plug the battery. So it's already bound, so you can directly fly it. You give a bit, about half a throttle, and just give a slight toss.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight.
Flight at really high alphas at really low speeds. And of course catch it at the end. So you just saw the plane fly beautifully. It can go slow, it can go fast based on how you set it. So the entire kit is available in our store skyclan.com. You can buy it from there. and also will be supplying to all the retailers soon, so you can buy from your retailer as well. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to consider subscribing to us and do like the video. Yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next one.